ọjọọ adịghị chenji onye ọjọọ ịmala ebe onye ọjọọ chenji onye ọjọọ gwa m onye ọjọọ chenji onye ọjọọ ma megide onye ọjọọ bụ na ya nwere ilo o nwere ihe a na-azọ then we try to eliminate him or to take him out of office. That's all. Apart from that, nothing. Have you ever seen a bad person changing a bad person? Other person, because most of them are influenced by those people that are not in power. Most of those kids now are influenced. Most of our governors, they are Yahoo members before they become governor. Most of our ministers, most of our senates. So how can they change them? Except if the government want to work, then so many things. Most of them will not be in power. At least in your time and your eye, you know, if you got good people, if you should have the power, they didn't make it. The bad people be about there. What's the government that is the government of the day? What are the people that are members of the government? Are you satisfied with people not in power now?
No, but them satisfied.
So that is it. So who is going to change who?
But he when he why basara parents, parents na
now you are talking. One of the problem